Hello, wonderful children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Majid. It's such a special name that means the most glorious and noble one. Isn't it amazing that we get to know Allah through His beautiful names? Al-Majid means that Allah is the source of all honor, glory, and goodness. Think about the most beautiful things you've ever seen, like a colorful rainbow after the rain, or the sparkly stars in the night sky. Allah is even more beautiful and glorious than all of these things combined. He is the one who created everything beautiful in our world. You know how sometimes when you do something really good, like helping your little sister or sharing your toys, your parents tell you they're proud of you? That makes you feel special and honored, right? Well, Allah is Al-Majid, which means He is the one who gives true honor to everyone and everything. When we try to be good Muslims and follow what Allah teaches us, He honors us in the most amazing ways. Let me give you some examples that you can understand easily. When you're kind to others, when you tell the truth, when you help someone in need, you're actually following what Al-Majid loves. And because Allah is Al-Majid, He rewards us with good things both in this life and in the hereafter. He might make people love and respect you, give you good friends, or save something even better for you in paradise. Remember, dear children, whenever you see something beautiful and amazing in this world, it's a perfect time to remember Allah's name, Al-Majid. Whether it's a pretty flower blooming in your garden, a kind act from a friend, or the love of your family, all these wonderful things come from Al-Majid, the most glorious one. Let's try to be good and noble too, just like Allah loves.